Welcome friends. In this class you can get deep understanding regarding the concept of light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by human eye. Simply, light is denoted with 3 E's, that is experienced, explored and exploited. Light is a primary tool for perceiving this beautiful world. Light from the sun warms the earth, drives global weather patterns and initiate the life-sustaining processes of photosynthesis. With this introduction, let us start the lesson. There are many forms of energy existing in this world: thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, magnetic energy, light energy, sound energy, etc. Among this, we are going to now discuss about light energy. See here, heat is a form of energy, light is a form of energy, and sound is a form of energy. When light travels in a particular path, then it is called as a ray. If you group all these rays, then it is called as a beam of light. Light is a form of energy emitted by bodies under certain conditions. A luminous body is one that emits its own light, and here are some examples. Sun is a luminous body and stars are also called luminous objects because they emit their own lights. Alternatively, non-luminous objects that don't have their own light or reflect light. Will you be able to see the objects in the dark room? No, you can see the objects only in the presence of the light. And if the room is dark, there is no light, and then you can't see the objects. Human eye is light sensitive, and look at the example here. When a light source illuminates, then light incident on objects, and then it will be reflected and sensed by the human eye. In this way, you can see the objects, and in the dark room, that is in the absence of light, we can't see the objects. Now let us list the properties of light one by one. The first and very important property is that the light is a form of energy, and we can convert the light energy into electrical energy and so as other forms of energy. Light always travels in the straight line, and if any objects obstruct the path of the line, then the shadow of the object will be formed. This property enables us to predict that light travels in the straight line. Light rays does not need any medium for its propagation. But remember, sound rays travels only in the presence of medium. Air, water and solid are all acting as medium, but light rays from the sun just reaches the earth without any intervening medium, and light can travel through vacuum. The speed of the sound through air is about 340 meters per second. The speed of the light is much faster than the speed of sound, and it is 300 million meters per second. Or simply we can say that 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, but the speed of sound is 340 meter per second. Light is in the form of waves, and it is characterized by two important properties. The one is wavelength and the other one is frequency. And wavelength and frequency related with the help of the equation c is equal to nu lambda. And notice that here c is the velocity of the light. Now let us come to the next important property, that is different colored light has different wavelength and frequency. Notice that here are 7 colors and it is denoted with the mnemonic VIBGR, and from violet to red we are having different wavelength, so different colored light has different wavelength. And among the visible light, violet has the lowest wavelength and red light has the highest wavelength. Notice that the red light is deviated least and violet light is deviated most. But when you compare the wavelength, then violet light has the lowest wavelength and red light has the highest wavelength. And now let us come to the important property of the light, When light is incident on the interface between the two media, then one of the part is reflected and the other part is refracted as shown here. That is, when light is incident, then it gets reflection and refraction also. Thank you friends for watching, and if you have any doubt or want to say something about this video, comment in the comment box. Thank you.